Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the Ardu CAM Mini and your Arduino board. Connect grounds, set the module to the Arduino voltage, 5V or 3V per spec, and mount the camera. Once done, make sure the Ardu CAM library and SPI support are installed in the Arduino IDE so the code can call the driver functions. You should also have a micro SD card if you plan to save images. Otherwise, plan a serial transfer. Now power only after double-checking wiring to avoid damaging the module. You will wire MOSI, MISO, SCK, CS, VCC, and GND between Arduino and Ardu CAM. Pick a free digital pin for CS and note it in code. Once wired, open the Ardu CAM example capture sketch, change the camera model macro, set the CS pin number and SPI settings, and compile. If you intend to store photos, wire the SD card CS to a different pin, format the card as FAT32, and enable SD functions in the sketch. Then upload and monitor serial for camera init messages. You trigger an image capture from the sketch. The code either writes a JPG to the micro SD card or streams bytes over serial for retrieval. Once you get data, check file integrity and resolution. If images are corrupted, lower the SPI clock or tweak camera registers in code. If the camera fails to initialize, power down and recheck VCC, ground continuity, and that CS is set to the same pin in both wiring and code. A multimeter on power rails and verifying pins with a logic probe solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.